Salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. On est parti pour une vidéo Final Fantasy Sister Locations. Et j'ai un ami qui m'accompagne et que vous verrez pas car ça joue qu'à une seule partie. Et c'est parti. Tu peux parler, mec.
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. Whether you are a coach at a jump fair, red hour hat and screws, bolts, and hairpins, or if this
Je
is
vous
your
dis, je
first
vais dire beaucoup de
volunteer,
gros mots.
we welcome you.
Et toi, Aya,
Your personal
tu
guide
peux
will
parler.
introduce you to Model 5, an advanced robotics and unit repair system, but you can call me Hand Unit. Your new career promises
T'inquiète pas.
challenge, intrigue, and endless janitorial
Je vais t'envoyer une
opportunities.
demande de partage d'écran.
Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful.
Ah, je dois mettre mon prénom. Nike, c'est ça. Alors, le M, I. Bon, on a écrit n'importe quoi.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will work to
Voilà.
correct it for you.
Est-ce que tu as commencé le partage d'écran ou pas?
Welcome, Eggs Benedict.
Du coup, tu vois mon écran, c'est ça? Ok. Du coup, tu verras mon écran et tu le regardes que parce que sinon, à un moment donné, quand je te demande un truc, hein, ok. Je t'ai dit, on va crier ensemble. Non, mais regarde mon écran.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some lighthearted music.
Je vous conseille cette cause
Imagine
toujours
success
dans
as the
Snap
chorus of the
Locations.
unfortunate closing of Freddy
Et je vous dis,
Fazbear's
si
New
jamais il y a un
Nightmare.
bug,
Hear this
c'est que je devrais
once
arrêter.
said, no pun intended, for another contender to shoulder its
Voilà.
entertainment.
Bah,
Unlike most entertainment
Proxy.
venues, our robotic
Point and proxy.
entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning. You are now in the primary control module. It's actually a crawl space between the two front showrooms. Now, let's get started with your daily tasks. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio, encouraging kids to get fit and enjoy pizza. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left.
Elle est pas là.
Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
Ouais. Et apparemment, il y a...
Check the light again.
Oui, c'est ça. Du coup, tu regardes ma vidéo. Ici, du coup, je vais vous montrer. Ouais, je sais. Bon, ta bouche, je vais expliquer un peu. Ici, apparemment, il y a un truc.
Be ready to perform again
On appuie sur-
tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime
Ça fait un
Auditorium.
bruit bizarre.
Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to. Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the
Mais
day
juste
off.
après, je vais faire une vidéo, donc
Funtime Foxy
je vais
with a
faire...
controlled
Après, je
shot.
ferai une vidéo. Bon, allez, on se revient à la vidéo. Allez. Je sais qui est pas là.
Let's try another controlled shot.
Tiens! Pardon. Pita Barora.
Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft.
Je te dis, il y aura beaucoup de screamers ailleurs.
Gallery control module.
Il y aura beaucoup de screamers. Les screamers, c'est pour dire que ça fait peur.
Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what baby is
Oh,
up to.
t'inquiète pas que tu vas avoir peur.
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage baby to cheer up with a controlled shot.
Tiens, c'est Crush Baby. Tiens! Là, elle va pas apparaître, je sais.
Let's try another controlled shot.
Tiens!
Let's try another controlled jog.
Bon, il va apparaître sur le baby. Baby!
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed, otherwise you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Ouais. Là, maintenant, l'idée, ça peut bien se faire parfois peur. Non.
Another day, another dramatic entry in the lives of Vlad and his distressed mistress. Where will they go? What will they do?
Bon, on va revenir à la vidéo, s'il te plaît. Hein.
Clara, I tell you, the baby isn't mine.
Bon, de toute manière, après, juste ici, on va avoir une deuxième nuit. On va tout dormir. On s'en fiche, on est en pleine vidéo, là, je te signale. On va pas parler de ma chaîne alors qu'on est en pleine vidéo. Hein. Donc tu regardes bien mon écran, hein, comme ça on a peur tous les deux ensemble. Je mets plus fort.
Welcome back for another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now.
Non, dommage.
Using the keypad below, please select a new companion voice. For male, press 1. For female, it seems that you have some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will autocorrect it for you. Thank you for choosing Angsty Teen.
Extétine, super. On m'appelle pas Extétine. C'est quoi ce bruit? Parce que vacarme. Il fait tout noir. Moi, je veux te dire, Aya, tu vas avoir peur.
The elevator stopped. You know your routine. Get up now or whatever. Stay here if you want.
So,
Funny
funny story.
story?
A
A
dead
dead
body
body
was
was
found
found
in
in
the
the
vent
once.
once.
Okay,
So,
so
not
not
that
that
funny,
funny, but
it's a
Et on va dire plein de gros mots ensemble, tu verras.
Let's
let's
start
start
with
with
your
your
nightly
nightly
chores.
chores.
You should
You
check
should
on
check on
Laura
Laura
and make
and
sure she's on
she's
her
on her
stage.
stage.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Oh, maman, tu m'appelles. Oh, je vais couper mon micro de... Voilà. Bah, l'oreille, ton oreille.
I guess Laura has better things to do. Let's zap her. That should
Should
be
be
fun.
fun.
Let's check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Ma mère m'a juste appelé pour un quick. Bon, je devrais bientôt aller manger. Donc,
There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's
je
auditorium.
te dis, va falloir... Ah. Ouais. Bon, j'ai bientôt devoir y aller. Je pense bon.
Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order. Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out hiding with a control shot. Let's try another control shot. There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Alors, on va aller tous les deux ensemble dans la vente. Donc, va falloir aller chez Ballora. Et je vais te dire ce qu'elle va te dire, à peu près. Donc, elle dit que
I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this.
en gros, elle dit que
Ignorance.
allez,
There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
donc elle dit en gros qu'il faut l'écouter elle et pas celui qui nous appelle ex-Benedect et tout, car en réalité, par exemple pour Ballora, parce qu'on va aller après, parce que je le fais, on va devoir aller silencieusement car elle est aveugle. Hop là, reste avec moi, Ya, tu vas voir. Donc dans quelques minutes, je vais devoir déjà arrêter pour le premier épisode. Donc 2 nuits, c'est assez, je pense. Et je devrais aller manger. Je la mettrai en ligne juste après avoir mangé. Tu vas voir, les trucs de Baby, ils font 3 cm. Et pourtant, tu vas voir leurs muscles. T'as vu leurs muscles? T'as vu? T'as vu, ils ont des muscles de fou. Ils ont des muscles de dingo. T'as vu? Quoi? Minecraft. Hein. Par contre, tu regardes pas mon écran.
When your guide comes back online, he is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful, that
Mm-hmm.
you must restart the system manually. He will then tell you to crawl through the lower gallery as fast as you can to reach the breaker room. If you follow his instructions, you will die. Laura will not return to her state anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through the lower gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, she is growing near, listening for you. Wait and be still.
Thank you for your patience. It seems that the power system cannot be restarted automatically. You will need to restart the power system manually. Please return to the primary control module.
Bon, dès qu'on a fini la nuit, je devais devoir quitter.
You will now be required to crawl through the lower gallery using the vent to your left to reach the breaker room. It is recommended that you stay low to the ground and reach the other side as fast as possible as to not disturb the aura. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance. Deactivating.
Ne bouge pas. Là, tu regardes mon écran, d'accord? Regarde bien.
It seems you are taking a long time. Please proceed as quickly and as quietly as possible.
Regarde. Il y a Ballora. Tu la vois?
You may
You may
now
now interface with the breaker control box.
Using the interface may disrupt nearby electronics. If you feel you are in danger, feel free to disconnect the interface temporarily until it is safe to reconnect.
Regarde où il est. Il était proche de nous. Bon, je vais devoir vous laisser, car je devrais aller bientôt manger. Du coup, c'est ciao.